Hi, hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Now we are going to know how to retrieve the data from deleted partition. See, I think if you are here, I hope that you use the command called clean command in the CMD in disk part so that you lost all the partitions. So you lost all the data inside the partition. Man, you don't worry, you are in the right place. Actually, I recently faced the same issue where I lost entire partition data means at that time I saw my screen and in my laptop I think nearly 100 GB of data, my entire memories, everything lost. So for some moment it's like my soul left from my body because it was the memories and my memories, my certificates, my documents, everything were there. So if you wanted to retrieve that data, like that data, if you are facing the same issue, maybe some of the third parties are so many partition recovery means data recovery tools are there, softwares where you want to pay the money, where you want to take a pro version, premium version, so that you need to pay nearly I think 4,000, 5,000, maybe 6,000. But there is a one software, open source software, it's a free where you can retrieve the entire data from the deleted partition. That is called TestDisk software, where you can work on that. So now I'm going to show you how to work on TestDisk where you can retrieve the data. So if you have used a clean command and if you have lost the partition or the data inside that, yeah, let me go through and explain you how to retrieve the data. First of all, let me show you what was the situation where I faced actually. Maybe you are also facing the same issue, because of that I think you are here. Let me show you the issue what I was facing. See, this was an issue when I lost a partition like 931.51 GB disk 0 unallocated space. Okay, means entire data has erased. Actually data will be there on the disk, but it will be hidden, we can't see that one. It will not be stored in the restore in the what recycle bin also, so we can't restore that. So if you want that data, it's very important, you need to recover through some of the softwares like TestDisk. It is a open source. So I'll show you now. If you wanted to see that one, you go to the computer, COMPU, computer management, open it, go to the disk management where you can see here now. See, there is a disk 0 now. I have a primary partition, one partition. Now I recently created one of the means I formatted the entire disk and I created one partition, but you don't do that one, because without retrieving the data you don't do, because I already retrieved the data. So don't format or don't create any partition before retrieving the data, because if that data is very important, please be quiet and work on test disk. Okay, I'll show you how. Go to the Google Chrome. In Google search test disk CG security, because it is a one of the organization where it will provide like this one test disk download means you should download test disk. There are multiple organization will provide, but CG security is one of the good source to download the test disk. Click on that. Yeah, you will land at this page after clicking on that. See, nearly there are so many versions of TestDisk like 7.3 and 7.2. There is a February 22, 2024. You can download any version and no problem actually. I will download this TestDisk 7.2 version. Okay, if you want, you can download this one also. Yeah, click on this. If you click on, it will the folder will download. Yeah, here your download should begin shortly. Please click the link in case it doesn't start. If you click on this download a link, if it's not downloaded, the entire file will be downloads folder. Entire folder of test disk will be downloaded here. Yeah, you can see here like it's downloading. It started downloading like test disk 7.2 win zip file entire folder. I'm not downloading, but please you download, because I already downloaded. I told you that I used that one. Okay, let me close and I'll show you. See, this is the entire folder zip file of test disk. I'm going to extract, right click on that and extract all, where just extract. extracted entire folder where you can see now the TestDisk 7.2. See, in this you need to find the file called TestDisk underscore win. This is a executable file, very very important. TestDisk, this one you can see this one. Okay, this file you need to see this file TestDisk win. uh, just right click on that and run as administrator. See, actually, we use graphical user interfaces. Most of the softwares, data recovery softwares are graphical user interfaces, but this one is a command line interface. Okay, I'm not going to maximize because it looks like a mess. I'm not going to maximize that. Just we keep in the minimized way only. Now, see there, you clearly observe whatever they have given, like create append no log means you can create history where whatever you work on this command line, you can keep that log, that history. Okay, yeah, yeah. Just we create enter by using the enter and left and right arrows only. We work on this command line. Enter. If you enter, there are two partitions you can observe here. Is two drives, that is drive 0, drive 1. Here, in my case, drive 0 was unallocated where I deleted the entire partition. Drive 0 was that. So I am choosing drive 0. Below you can see the proceed and quiet. Or if you use a right arrow, it will come to the quiet, enter, quiet, and left, proceed. Just I'm going to proceed with a drive 0 only. And if you wanted to come to the drive 1, you can use a below arrow and above arrow like that. Okay, just proceed, enter. I'm going to default intel, enter. And now analyze, enter. Now you can see here there is a below called quick search or backup. If you enter quick search, just enter, it will show you the deleted partition. This was actually the partition what you deleted. If you use a right arrow, right and left arrow, there will be, it will change. Like, see, you can observe here carefully. L means logical, deleted, B and star. You can, what is star, what is L means, you can observe below there is some like primary bootable, primary logical, extended, deleted, but you don't do anything. Okay, you are just retrieving your data. So then in this partition, whatever files are there, you need to list the files. Or if you wanted to see the files, you just type P. You can see below, you just type P. If you type P, it will show the entire test disk, means whatever the data was there actually when you deleted the partition. And you can entire, means you can check with going for example, I'll go to U and I will use left and right arrows to know whatever the files that have. And if I use a right, and I will be knowing that whatever there in that folder and everything. If I know that this is a folder or this is a partition that I want entire data, means just if I want to come back, I can use a back again. Yeah. Now if you want to quiet, you can use a q. You can see below there are some many commands like prompts. Q means quiet, C means copy selected files. Or if you wanted to copy, means if you wanted that entire data, that whatever you are seeing on the screen that you deleted actually through the partition, through the using the clean command in a disk part. Then if you want that data, just copy the entire data. Now if you identify which partition or which folder that you want, just copy. You can see below there is a caps lock C, capital C to copy the selected file. Just caps lock C, it will select entire and it will ask next. Okay, where to copy the test. Okay, please select a destination where to mark files will be copied. If you use means actually you are there in the test disk software, means in that folder only. Just go back, go to anything like for example 63 is one of the folder that I have in a test disk extracted folder, actually this folder. Okay, I'm going to just enter. If I enter, it will copy all the files from that disk to that folder. Okay, I mean what I'm saying. See, if you are in the partition where your data you found, means whichever you deleted actually without knowing, so that data you can copy and you can paste. This is a destination. Okay, if you feel this is a place where you want to copy the entire file, you can just use like a C. When the destination is correct, just type C, caps lock C, it will copy the entire file. Okay, then you will retrieve the entire data. Okay, you can read the above. So Nothing to say actually. Everything, if you download the test this software, you can directly by reading the command line prompts or whatever they're given, you can directly you can copy the entire data whatever you lost actually. This is how you can retrieve the data. Okay, don't be means if you like, I know that feeling that if whenever you lose some data whatever you stored from so many long years that you feel bad. So if you are in the that condition, if you don't know how to retrieve, yeah, try to comment me. If possible, I will definitely reply to you. Okay, just work on this test disk software, then you definitely get your entire data back. Okay. Yeah, by the way, let me tell you something. Yeah, you can close by clicking Q. It will quite. And if you are new to my channel, you know that maybe if you are not new, you know that I have uploaded so many videos on command prompt that CMD. Like I am running almost a CMD course. So I uploaded the first video, second, third videos, 3 episodes of CMD. So if you are interested, please go and see that videos, and it will be very good because it's somewhat you need to know basic commands of command prompt. So I'll try to explain that. Yeah, we'll come back with a new episode, sorry, new video on command prompt. Until then, take care. Thank you so much. Bye bye. We see you again. Bye bye in the next video.